Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to play Batman Arkham Knight on an Intel Core i5, which I will show you right now because I do not want any leaks. That I don't have that. And now, as you can see, I have Intel HD 520 graphics, and my processor is an Intel Core i5, as you can see. So what you want to do first is go here and type msconfig. And what you want to do is go to boot and advanced options. This will be unticked. You want to tick this and select the maximum number that is available for your processors. And click OK and apply. This will allow your PC to get the maximum performance because when it's on one, it only uses one core at a time. So next what you want to do is go to the Batman Arkham Knight file location, open file location. Then you want to go to Batman Arkham Knight and engine because you don't want to change every single setting one at a time. Just go to base system settings and you can change all settings at once. And now as you can see, mine is already configured, so you can just copy these settings for your PC as well. If this is a low-end PC, like, you need to have an Intel Core i5. Or if you want to play it on an i3 or a Core 2 Duo, you need to make everything false, leave motion blur to true, motion blur pause to true, and motion blur skinning to 0.0. So that's what you need to do, and everything else you should keep it like this, but I really suggest you turn off everything like this, like your shadows, directional light lamps, distortion, filter distortion. They all rip out your GPU, and it's not really necessary. I mean, nobody notices that small detail. And my max FPS is 60. Do not put this above 60. If you put it above 60, you are gonna get system crashes. Okay? And allow OpenGL to be true because most PCs support it. And all you need to go till is till right over here. Do not change anything above this. If you want to change like mine, then you sure go ahead. But I'm not going to be responsible for anything else. This is default. Yours might be different based on your PC. So just change everything and then click on File and Save. And then X out and launch Batman Arkham Knight as administrator. And wait for it to load. Now you get really good FPS between like 40 and 60. The minimum FPS you will get is above 20 if your laptop does not overheat that much. So make sure airflow is good. Okay? That will ensure you get a very good gameplay. Now, as you can see, it's loaded. And I've tweaked this setting by downloading this really handy tool right here. You can use this to tweak it. I do not use Match Desktop because that uses 48 Hertz for some reason. So, yeah, and I keep the resolution like this. So you can do everything off. In GameWorks settings, interactive paper debris and interactive smoke really rips apart your GPU again. Because interactive smoke, you're not going to do anything. So just keep it like this, and I keep this on low quality. And yeah, that's all. So as you can see, it's loaded. It's gonna lag a little bit in the starting like this, and then it starts loading. Just wait, because in the starting it's like, we can't play this game, it's not meant for a PC, but then it starts loading. Oh, and you need about 6 GB RAM for this game, so make sure you have RAM. VRAM usage is also acceptable. So if you have VRAM, you can use that. So, so it's gonna lag a little bit in the loading screens. You can expect a minimum of 15 and above. I mean, like, if your laptop doesn't really support it, you'll get only like 1 through 12 FPS. But if you have like 4 logical processor, it depends on like how many processors you have. So, it really depends. And I advise you get a smart Game Booster 4, driver booster, and advanced system care. You can like really, um, like, what's it called? Maximize FPS as they release RAM and close unnecessary apps and background processes. So it is a little bit laggy right now because I'm recording, and there you go. As you can see, it actually works on an i5. It will stutter a little bit, and I will come with a fix for you guys next time. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. This is my first video. So let's see what the fight goes like. As you can see, I have a maximum of like 50 FPS right now. The graphics are a little here and there, but still. And let's call it Batmobile. See the... Now... Okay, this is really good, but it's gonna lag a little bit right now. It's gonna lag for you guys as I am... It's gonna lag a little because I'm recording right now, so it's using up my RAM. So as you can see, it is working with really low stuttering. Max FPS right now for me is 30. Okay, now it's increased to 40, 50. So it really depends on how many how many processors your CPU has. So just make sure that you have enough RAM and this game will work for you. Thank you guys and have a nice day.